Hey loves, thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can see, and as you guys can tell by the title, in today's video, I'm bringing you guys the best glueless bust down straight human hair lace front wig. This wig is from Simidola Hair, and if you are yet to try a glueless wig, I definitely recommend this one. The lace comes pre-plucked, pre-tinted. You have 9 by 6 inches of parting space. This hair is super thick, silky, and luscious, and the construction of this glueless cap is just phenomenal. So definitely continue to watch this video. Whether you like to glue down your wigs or not, I definitely recommend this wig because it comes super pre-customized and ready to go. I will have everything linked down below, but we are gonna just jump right into it. Like I mentioned, this wig is from Simidola Virgin Hair. The wig did come to me in this beautiful light pink box with their gold logo on the front, and they sent over a bunch of goodies. First, you get your wig in a silk satin bag, which you can also use for storage later. And they also sent over a pink satin robe as well as eye mask. They sent over a pair of lashes, some HD wig caps, as well as an edge brush. And I absolutely love this. The branding, the packaging, everything is just super beautiful and cute. And I'm honestly not a pink girl, but I love everything about this. When you take the wig out of the satin bag, it comes in a plastic bag, as you guys can see, fully labeled. So again, this is a 9 by 6 HD lace front wig. It is 180% density, and it is in 24 inches in the texture straight. And like I mentioned, the lace is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-tinted. It is not as brown as you see here. They included some tissue paper, but this is the hair straight out of the box. Super silky, super silky. The wig has so much movement, and I absolutely love the hair on this wig. So as you guys can see here, the wig did come with a foam piece underneath to help hold the shape of the lace. The lace is tinted, but it is not as brown as it is appearing here. This is a 9 by 6 lace front wig, so you get a lot of space. Most closure wigs are 4 by 4, 5 by 5, maybe 6 by 6, but 9 by 6, you are almost getting the full look of a frontal, but you don't have to deal with the ear tabs or gluing your wig down if you don't want to. But you have so much room to style your wig, do different hairstyles, and play around with the lace. This is the inside cap construction, so as you guys can see, there is so much lace on the top. There are clean wefts sewn throughout. There are combs on the sides as well as the bottom back of the wig, and there is an insertable, removable, adjustable band that does have these silicone ridges to help it really stay secure to your head, and that band is also adjustable, which is amazing. And if you're someone who just doesn't like combs for whatever reason, you can remove that back bottom comb as well. This is the lace up against my skin, so the lace does have a tint, but it is not as brown as it first appeared. I'm definitely a lighter skin tone, and the lace melted right into my skin seamlessly. And as you guys can see, you have such a deep parting space, and the hairline is so natural and pre-plucked. You really have very minimal styling to do. You can basically just decide how you want to style this wig, or just straighten it a little bit to sleek it out and get that real bust down look. Again, just giving you another view of the wig up against my hand before I did go ahead and install it. And again, you can see in this lighting that the lace is not too dark and looks really good up against my skin tone. Also note that there are curved ear tabs, so just below those side combs, the wig does curve in to fit comfortably around your ear and to still give that really secure, flat, seamless install with a glueless install if you don't want to use any adhesive. Aside from the cap construction, the lace on this wig, and the parting space, this hair, guys, is so soft. Like you guys know, if you scroll through my videos, I've tried so many wigs. This literally might be the best straight hair that I've tried in a very long time. It has so much movement. You can run your fingers through it, you can move it around, shake it around, and the hair is just so luscious and beautiful and just falls right back into place. I'm starting off with the wig cap, of course. And I'm going ahead and just plopping my wig on, securing the band and pulling it up, and got like, I'm not walking out the house like this, but look at the wig straight out of the box. It looks like my natural hairline in the front right there. All you need to do is really just lay the top of the hair a little bit to get a really sleek look. But look at this hair, guys. This is straight out of the box. I did not straighten the hair or do anything. This is how the hair is moving and falling and looking. And I am in love. Like, I am a low maintenance girl. I want to look good, and I don't want to have to spend too much time doing it and keeping up with it. I want to just put my wig on, install it, and not have to worry about it for a couple days. So I absolutely love this wig. It's super low maintenance. The hair is super nice quality, and this is definitely giving virgin human hair. The hair has a beautiful, nice, natural luster to it, and it is in a dark, natural black color. Again, you guys can see this is the wig fully glueless, straight out of the box. I'm over here moving the hairline around. I'm going to go ahead and just flatten out the hairline and the top of the wig a little bit. You guys, of course, can go ahead and use a hot comb to do this. Someone at this point, just buy me a hot comb. I'll leave my P.O. box down below because I'm gonna just keep using my curling wand until it fails me. But I'm just using my curling wand to go ahead and flatten down the hairline, smooth it back, give a real seamless look. And I'm also gonna go ahead and flatten out the top of the wig as well. I did apply some heat protectant before doing this. Also, if you were wondering what I sprayed, but this is, again, just what it's looking like. No makeup, nothing extra added to the lace, to the hairline, straight out of the box. I just went ahead and pushed the hairline back to show you guys how pre-plucked and natural it really does look. You have so many options of styling this wig, styling this lace. You can do a side part, you could do a middle part, you can do braids going back, you could do a little half updo because of that large parting space that you have. I went ahead and added some powder makeup at first just to the lace, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a wig band on just to set the front of the hair while I do go ahead and smooth out and flatten out the top. Again, I applied some heat protectant, and then I'm going ahead and just taking my time and smoothing down the top of the hair to really give that sleek bust down look, to really emphasize the parting space and make the wig look a lot more natural and like it's actually growing from my scalp. You guys can see this is what the wig looked like straight out of the box, and this is what it looks like after being flattened. It definitely gives a much more natural look. When you leave your wig just lifted like that, it can look natural, but it can also look more wig-like sometimes. So I definitely recommend just taking the time to flatten out the top of your wig around your parting space for your desired style. And guys, look at this hair. Like, I'm just not getting over how silky straight this hair is. I normally honestly like curly wig, wavy wig, something with a little texture. But this right here, like, definitely made me fall in love with straight hair again. I'm in love. And this is what the hair looked like after setting it with a wig band. Guys, you cannot tell me this does not look like I didn't go get a silk press and my hair just did not grow all the way out. I absolutely love this wig. And this is in 24 inches. And I will say I am 5'3", but I feel like this wig is pretty long. If you were to trim off maybe like an inch at the bottom, you would have a really thick blunt wig, and I feel like that would maybe be more true to 24 inches. But this hair and wig definitely looks very long for 24 inches on me. Let me know what you guys think down below, because I'm absolutely in love with this wig. The quality of this hair is phenomenal. As you guys can see, I'm just running my fingers through the hair, moving it around, and it literally is just falling right back into place and just looks so sleek, so beautiful. And this literally took me, what, 5, maybe 10 minutes to sit there and sleek down the top of the hair and sleek down the front and let the wig band sit for a little bit. And literally, guys, that's it. That's all you actually need to do to achieve a sleek install bust down look with this wig. So again, I cannot recommend this wig enough. Whether you are a wig wearer, whether you want to glue down your wig and install it, whether you're just looking for a glueless, quick, easy, everyday throw on wig, this is perfect. Like, if you're looking for a straight wig, I cannot recommend this wig enough. I personally enjoy wearing frontals because you have versatility for styling and parting space, and it looks more natural in the front sometimes. However, I really don't like the maintenance of maintaining the lace, keeping the ear tabs down, making sure everything is intact throughout your install. So I love this wig, guys. I cannot say enough good things about it. After filming this video, I literally ended up gluing this wig down, wearing it for about 3 or 4 days, taking it out, washing it. I reinstalled it, wore it for like another week, and I'm in love with the wig, guys. I have no bad things to say. The only thing I maybe will note is that when you are like brushing the wig and styling the wig, I notice a light amount of shedding. And when I say light, I would say if you're brushing and styling, straightening the entire wig or curling it, you might get 10 to 15 strands in your brush. Now, day to day, running your fingers through the wig and just going about your business, you're not going to be leaving hair everywhere or shedding. And I wouldn't say that it has a shedding problem, which is to be expected with any wig, honestly. Like, your natural hair sheds, and most wigs, when you're brushing through them and wearing them for a week at a time, you're going to have a brush full of hair. So that wasn't the case, but I did just want to note that was literally the only thing I could even mention about this wig. Everything else is amazing. I love the lace, I love the cap construction, I love the hair and the quality of the hair. And again, I love that you have the option to wear this as a glueless wig. It's going to be very secure and very comfortable, but you also can glue it down and just have a super easy pre-customized wig that's ready to style and ready to go. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you've tried out Simidola hair, if you've tried this wig, or if you plan on trying it. Let me know how it goes and how you like it. I will have everything linked down below, so definitely check the description box down below if you are interested whatsoever in this wig. If you like this type of wig but you're looking for a different texture, also check the description box because Simidola has a lot of options on their website. But again, guys, I'm absolutely in love with this wig right here. Cannot recommend it enough, and I cannot say enough good things about it, which you guys just heard me go on and on and on about. So if you guys made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.